What is up? It is your girl Chènae, and I'm back today with Mario. It's been a minute since you guys have seen Mario on my channel. Ain't that right, Mario?
Yep.
So Mario's gonna be in more videos to liven up this channel some. So today we're going to be doing a Mexican snack challenge. We live here in Texas, and you know Mexico is right next door, so I thought it would be easy to start off with Mexico first because there's like Mexican grocery stores and stuff around, and we just went there and picked up a bunch of different snacks. I'm gonna try them for you guys, and we're gonna rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. We're gonna give you our opinion and how they think snacks taste. So let's get to the video. You ready, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first snack we're going to be trying, y'all show them. It's going to be this snack. And this is called
It's a spicy candy.
Popporradio extra spicy candy. It says extra hot and salted tamarind pup bar with real fruit. So the candies come in a little small wrapper like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it looks like some beef jerky. Stink. What it tastes like? What it tastes like? I'm scared. What it tastes like? Okay, I'm gonna taste it now.
It's nasty. I don't know what to expect.
It's like some old folks candy.
With pepper on it.
Well, I mean, I really didn't taste any spicy. It was kind of sweet and tangy.
I give it a 3.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, on a scale of 1 to 10, Mario give it a 3. I'll say about 3 too. I'll give it a 3 too. Give me some water. I'm gonna try Takis guacamole. Now everybody know what Takis are. My daughter eats these all the time, purple bag. I really don't like the purple bag, but this will be our first time trying this one. And this is the Takis guacamole. It smells good. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Good out of 10.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give it an 8. Next, we're going to be trying this. This is the Submarinos something. But it looks like a Twinkie in this strawberry flavor. So you take it out the package. It's basically a Twinkie, so we're so the little small packaging. This is really, really good. Like a Twinkie, but with strawberry filling.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
It's dry to death.
What? Well, I like it. So
The bread.
I wouldn't 10. I'll give this a 10. This is really, really good.
2.
Or 2.
Yeah, that's nasty.
Well, you know that is better than 2. What you like about it?
It's dry. You gotta drink the whole cup of water with it.
Well, I like them. What's good to me?
The next one is salsa-getti.
Salsa-getti. And
It's spaghetti.
it says it is watermelon flavored hot candy strips with
Hot sauce.
tamarind flavored sauce. So I guess it's spicy sauce. Mexicans love their spicy food. So it looks like worms. And it got some hot sauce in it. So here, I'm gonna put some of mine for some of yours. And you got some sprinkle stuff on it too. This stuff smells like.
Come here. This shit about to be hot.
Why you put that much on yours? You put a lot on yours. I ain't putting that much on mine.
I ain't gotta eat all of it.
Well, I'll let you go first. You put a lot.
This is terrible.
Okay, so I'm gonna try. Why are you making that face? I'm gonna try now.
I don't like it. This is trash.
So, I guess I didn't put that much sauce on mine. Mario dumped the whole packet on his side. To me, it tastes like, you know, those flavored pull-apart Twizzlers? It kind of tastes like that. I'm not a big fan of Twizzlers. So out of 1 to 10, I'll probably get about a 5.
0.
Well, he put a lot of that spicy stuff on here. See, I don't mess with spicy stuff in my kids. Tostillo, queso, and chile jalapeno chips. It looks like this. And they're orange. Everything is spicy. We got queso in it, but that's good. It smells alright. There's no flavor to it. That's good.
I don't taste nothing. No.
Do you think there's no flavor to it?
It's nasty.
It tastes like corn chips, like regular Fritos.
corn chips.
Like regular Fritos.
Yeah.
I was expecting a taste because it says queso, chili, jalapeno, but I just got corn flavor. So I'll probably give this probably about a 4 because it didn't have any flavor to me.
3. I
Okay.
like plain chips.
Okay, so 4 3.
Sponge.
Turn around and up. Sponge.
Marshmallow cookies. Probably better in the microwave. You're gonna find out.
So I have some Hispanic coworkers that I see eating these all the time. I've always wanted to try some, but I just always passed it up in the grocery store.
This is like commissary.
Shut up, Mario. So they come like this. I'm sorry about the choke on this.
A shortbread cookie with marshmallows on top and coconut. It's coconut.
So it's marshmallow. You don't like coconut?
Eat it. I might need a trash can. I don't like it. I don't like it.
I like it.
I don't like it.
It tastes like
Trash.
no, it don't.
Yes, it is. It's equivalent to trash.
It tastes just like a snowball, minus the cake part, but with the cookie. So it's a shortbread cookie,
Why would you?
and it's marshmallows with coconut, just
Why
like
would
a
you-
snowball.
Why would you want a cookie with marshmallow?
Why not? So, I like it. I'm going to give it a 10 because it's good to me.
0.
A soda called
What is it?
Jimenez Strawberry Nectar. It looks like this.
Oh, it don't even smell like it tastes good. Oh my goodness.
It smells like a fruity extract.
This mess ain't got no taste.
You know taste?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe let's mix it with liquor. What does it say? It says worldwide excellent in quality. Strawberries are natural. Maybe it's a natural
It
beverage.
is, and it don't got taste.
So,
It don't even have sugar in it.
it tastes like strawberry water. So, like when you detox and put fruits in your water,
It's water, strawberry puree, concentrate.
oh, I can make this, man.
This is
It's not that bad. Yeah, Mario.
It don't have a taste. It's like watered down Kool-Aid.
So it tastes like water and strawberries. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give this a 5.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
gonna try this. And I know you guys probably can't see that because of the glare. This is called Nusita something.
Super 4?
Yeah, it's called Nusita Super 4. And it's cream candy. What is that? What's that, cream candy?
Yeah.
It says creamy candy with chocolate, vanilla, fresh, and caramel. Well, I guess it's caramel,
vanilla, strawberry, and caramel.
How fun! So it comes in a little package like this. And you got like a little itsy bitsy spoon. And on the back you can see all the different flavors. Oh, it stinks.
You know.
That's what it looks like on the inside, y'all.
It's like some dried ice cream.
That's some dry, but I don't like the way it smells. What it tastes like. You gotta taste all 4 flavors.
It's sweet. Very sweet.
Very sweet. So you got to scoop it on this little thing, I guess.
The kids like it. I will.
It don't taste like chocolate. Ugh.
It just ain't. It ain't nothing I buy.
Tastes like
It tastes
Dolo.
like they just pulled up a
You know-
bag of sugar.
It tastes like medicine. You got that little medicine taste, don't it?
Yeah, this ain't.
I don't like this at all, so I give this a 0.
That's a 0.
I get that. That's nasty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink something after that one. Next, we're gonna try the Jovi fruit roll. And I have raspberry, and Mario has green apple. And I'm guessing it's like a fruit roll up. The only thing fruity that we can find. So it looks like this.
That's a chili.
Like a fruit roll up, but it's not colorful like a fruit roll up, and the texture is kind of hard. See how it's ripping off. You don't like it? It don't taste fruity. So he got green apple. Let me taste mine.
It's alright.
Ugh. It don't dissolve in your mouth like a fruit roll up too.
No, it's thick.
Yeah, I don't like this. Out of 1 to 10, I give this a 1.
I give it a 2. Because it ain't got that chili powder.
We're gonna try the De La Rosa peanut candy marzipan style. This is De La Rosa. They say De La Rosa. De La Rosa. I like the way it rolls off your tongue. I don't know, like some Chinese stuff. So it looks like this, and it's really squishy.
Peanut.
It says peanut style. It reminds.
It crumbles, so you gotta watch it.
It reminds me of a corkscrew that be in a wine bottle. It don't look like that.
Just look.
And it crumbles up.
Like something you put on top of some topping.
It smells like peanuts and caramel.
Tastes like peanut brittle. It's actually not bad.
Mmm, it's creamy. It's actually pretty good.
I like it.
It's sweet, and then it's like it dissolves in your mouth.
But how would you eat it? Like this?
Or maybe you could put like some ice cream or something.
I would give that a 10.
So out of 1 to 10, I give that a 10 too. That was pretty good. Paleta Pasio. It looks fun.
You got it?
But it comes like this. A marshmallow on a stick. Clown on a stick. You got a chocolate one?
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, all chocolate.
Oh.
Cool.
I ain't no food. I'm a fool. Alright. So the packaging is really, really neat.
Oh, see? Look.
Yours broke because you was trying to rush trying to get in. I ain't let mine. Look at his face. Mario broke his.
Look at this. You gonna crumble the mess.
Mine's skin falling off.
You got
so it's
gummy on top?
You got gummies on top, make a face. I guess like a marshmallow, chocolate covered marshmallow stick.
The chocolate nasty.
Yeah, the chocolate is good.
You don't like that. That's a mess.
On a scale of 1 to 10, because I like marshmallows, I'll probably give it about 3.
I give it a negative 0. If that was possible.
Yeah.
This shit is not. This is nasty. They should sell this. No.
It wouldn't be so bad if the chocolate was like milk chocolate.
Chocolate sucks.
You gonna get this one. The Choco Rolls. So it looks like a Swiss roll, but it has pineapple flavoring in it, and I like pineapple.
I'm not gonna like it.
I love pineapples. Long
It's
Swiss
a Swiss roll. I love Swiss rolls.
And I love pineapples.
It don't even smell like it's pleasing. I'm scared to eat it.
It tastes like an off-brand Swiss roll. I really couldn't taste the pineapple in it. It got pineapple jelly, but it's not that good.
No, that's suck.
Out of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 2.
0.
You don't like nothing, do
I
you?
don't like none of that.
It's the Manzanita Soul Soda. So it's apple soda. And I've actually had this before.
Yeah.
When I moved to Texas, they sell this in like Panda Express and at the mall. But it's so good, y'all. It's so crisp and refreshing. It tastes like sparkling apple juice, but it's so nasty. So 1 to 10, I'll give this a 20.
25.
Alright, y'all, so that was our Mexican snack challenge. It was some pretty good things. Mario, out of all the stuff we tasted, what was your favorite? If you had to choose one, what was your favorite?
Copies.
Okay.
Guacamole.
And out of all the stuff that we tried, I think the sponge was my favorite.
You like them for real?
Oh, that was good.
You've been weird. For 10 years, you've
Yeah.
been weird. Who
But-
eats cookies with marshmallows on top?
I do. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I definitely plan on doing more videos like this. What country are we going to try next?
I'm
You want to do Mexico again?
China. I don't know.
Until next time, peace out y'all. Y'all be easy.